What if I told you the entire universe began from a single invisible point? No galaxies, no stars, no time, not even space itself. Just nothing. Then, in a fraction of a second, everything but began. This is the story of how the universe was born and how it gave rise to everything we know. About 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang happened. But it wasn't an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space itself. Space, time, energy, and matter all came into existence. In less than a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. We call this moment inflation. From something smaller than an atom, the universe grew to astronomical size in a blink, and it was hot, unimaginably hot. Trillions of degrees. Particles of matter and antimatter were created and destroyed in flashes of energy. As the universe expanded, it began to cool. This cooling allowed particles to slow down and combine. First quarks, then protons and neutrons, and eventually hydrogen and helium, the first elements of the cosmos. Light still couldn't travel freely. The universe was a thick fog of charged particles. But 380,000 years after the Big Bang, atoms finally formed, and the universe became transparent. That ancient light, the cosmic microwave background, still travels through space today. We can see it with special telescopes. It's the baby picture of the universe. Now gravity took over. Tiny imperfections in the early universe began to grow. Clouds of hydrogen collapsed under their own gravity and ignited. The first stars were born. These early stars were massive, hundreds of times the mass of our sun. They lived fast and died young. When they exploded as supernovas, they created new elements: carbon, oxygen, iron. These elements were the building blocks of everything: planets, oceans, and even life. Millions of stars grouped into galaxies. Over billions of years, galaxies merged and evolved. One of them became our home, the Milky Way. About 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of this galaxy, a cloud of gas began to collapse. From it, our sun was born. Around the sun, dust and debris formed planets, including Earth. Earth was violent and molten. A collision with a Mars-sized object created the moon. Volcanoes raged. Asteroids bombarded the surface. But over time, things cooled. Oceans formed. And somewhere in those oceans, life began. At first, life was simple: single cells, tiny organisms. But evolution worked slowly and steadily. Cells learned to work together. Plants appeared. Animals followed. Eventually, creatures crawled onto land, and millions of years later, humans arrived. You, me, we are stardust, made from atoms forged in dying stars. Today, the universe is still expanding. But here's the strange part. It's accelerating. We don't know why. We call it dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up most of the universe. As galaxies move farther apart, the night sky will grow darker. One day, stars will burn out, black holes will evaporate, and the universe could end in cold, endless silence, a fate called heat death. Or maybe it will collapse in a big crunch. Or perhaps something entirely unexpected will happen. But for now, we are here, alive on a small planet, circling a yellow star, in one galaxy among trillions. We are part of this vast story. 13.8 billion years in the making. The atoms in your body are ancient, some as old as the Big Bang. You are a way for the universe to understand itself. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, this isn't just space. It's your origin story. And it's still unfolding.